In the late 1800s, the steam engine tractor, also known as a steam traction engine, revolutionized farming in the United States. Millions of prairie acres were busted at a much higher rate than was done previously with teams of draft animals. For the next quarter of a century, American prairies were turned over at an astonishing rate. From 1880 to 1890, a mere decade, 50 million more acres of Midwestern prairie was turned by plow. The vast majority by plows pulled by steam engine tractors. By 1920, almost a half a billion acres of farmland was being plowed on a regular basis. That's equivalent to the area of 3 Texases. An impossible feat were it not for the steam tractor. Highlighted here in this video will be a 1915 JIK steam engine tractor. Rated at 65 belt and 40 drawbar horsepower, it had a maximum speed of 2.4 miles per hour and weighed in at 20,600 pounds empty and in the neighborhood of 26,000 pounds loaded with coal and water.